Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare TQQQ with SOXL or SOXL. Now both ETFs are amazing, let me tell you that. They are both leverage ETFs, and if you know some also really good ETFs and you want me to compare them, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make videos on it. Now, of course, I made a course on how we can make money with ETFs, and you will find the link down below in the description too. So without further ado, let's start. As I mentioned, both are triple leveraged ETFs with high earning potential, but also with high expense ratio. Now, both are, people say that, okay, you shouldn't invest, that you should do day trading, swing trading, and just like short term. But when I'm going to show you the backtest portfolio, the numbers are going to be really crazy, but of course we don't know what the future will bring. Now, issuer, pro shares, issuer here for SOXL, direction, expense ratio is literally the same. When we compare the assets under management, you can see clearly that pro shares is winning in this regard, TQQQ. And on the other hand, average daily volume also winning. It's higher, but underlying index, this is the one big difference between these two, is Nasdaq, the 100 companies. On the other hand, SOXL is focusing on semiconductors. So that's like a technology behind technology, what you ever see. Intel, microchips, etc. I will show you also the holdings. Number of holdings, 36. Okay, and now let's look on the performance. This is where the fun begins. So when I go to backtest and I'm going to write here TQQQ, portfolio 100%, comparing to SOXL, and I will go also 100%, and the investment is $10,000 and we will go from 2010, okay? Analyze portfolios, look at this. With TQQQ, yes, you have final balance 1 million, which is better. With SOXL, you have $600,000, which is also like really amazing. And it all depends on your strategy, what you want to achieve, and what is your risk tolerance. And now you see right here that that's it. And right now, like SOXL was performing better. So that's another thing, that ProShells Ultra and worst year minus 48%. So it's all about the initial investment and on monthly basis how much you would put in. It also depends when you're gonna jump the game. And one thing that you need to know is that the more if you're gonna invest into it when the market is crashing, you're gonna lose money. Like, that's understandable. So that's what attributes to everything. Now, when I look on the holdings, and that's like when the market is dipping, that's my strategy. What I use with triple leverage ETFs is that, okay, I'm just waiting for the market to crash. But on the other hand, if you would invest to SOXL or TQQQ for years right now, so much money that you would make. Crazy. And when we go further on holdings, you can see the semiconductors right here as Intel Corporation, Broadcom, Nvidia, Analog Devices, Marvell Technology, Micron Technology, Microchip Technology, Semiconductors, Skyworks Solutions, Taiwan Semiconductor. So you see many companies like these. On the other hand, with TQQQ, you see that Apple, Microsoft Corporation, Amazon, Tesla. So again, it really depends on your risk tolerance and what you want to do, what you want to achieve. And when I go right here, TQQ, SOXL, you see for past year, 200, past year, 147, 5 year, 1000, like the growth is crazy. So you see the performance right here. But again, it really depends when you would start investing money. I really think that when I put it right here, I'm going to test something now. If let's say that I'm going to invest in 2012 or 14. Yep, and right now, look, it's overperforming. In the moment when I change the 2010, it really depends on when you're gonna start investing. Right now, the SOXL is overperforming TQQQ. Understandable, because like last 5 years, SOXL was overperforming hard TQQQ. So to summarize this video, when you check the performance, semiconductors were doing really great. This looks like, I don't want to say like crypto, but it is what it is. And both are good choices. It depends if you're focused more on semiconductors or if you want to go more into the way of TQQQ, of holdings like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Alphabet, Google companies. Or if you want to, let's say, go based on average daily volume and assets under management, this is another topic into consideration. And yeah, so I'll be really happy if you share your thoughts on this. What do you think about it? If you like SOXL more or TQQ more. For me, both are good choices, but never forget that they are triple leveraged. And yeah, and like when I'm going to do the numbers, always it's going to end up differently. So when I go like TQQQ, and let's say that I would go 2017 portfolio. Let's say contribute fixed amount. That initial amount is going to be, and we are going to invest $100 to both. Yeah, it really depends. So you can calculate it by yourself. When I would just go only $10,000. And I love this. I love doing this so much. I always did this. So let's go 2000 and like let's say 18. Then you would start with 10,000. And then ticker symbol like this. And 100, 100. Analyze portfolios. Look at this. So yeah. Oh, only because like it got the worst year there. Yep, and this, if I would go 2019, it really depends even when you're gonna jump the game. So the earlier the better. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions or ideas about both of these, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.